So, came home from New York yesterday, and that's not funny. To make a long story short, somebody stole my car!
Aww.
You can't do that over, brother.
Why are you laughing? They stole it. I called the parking authority, they don't have it in the record. I called the private company, they don't have it. They stole my car. Why are you laughing, Grandma? So now we're waiting for the police to come. She thinks this is funny.
You're crazy.
Why would they do
Grandma?
that to me? Let's just go see if the police are coming.
It's getting cold.
They was plotting on my car. I went to New York to see Jennifer and Nick and Andrea. Bastards stole my car. They stole my car, Mamie.
Oh no, who stole it?
I don't know.
Who is they?
Someone. We're waiting on the police to come.
This is my great grandma.
Oh my goodness.
Bastards stole my car. Shit, where's my other one at? I wasn't taking that either. I'm really upset. I'm laughing because it's funny, but I'm really mad. And I'm hungry, so that's even makes it worse. That's alright. We'll continue when the police comes and get those bastards.
I think I'm depressed too, right along with him. But he's depressed right now. They stole his car. Now he's listening to Jennifer's sad, sad song. Okay? If you close your eyes, you can reminisce.
You want to hear it? We'll let you hear this. Come here, Nana. Don't get the computer in the background. Shh. That was pretty. That was pretty. They stole my car. Damn cops ain't come yet. Now I gotta make my way to the police station. Why don't they come? Now what if I call and say someone was shot?
You don't do stuff like that.
Well, they ain't come.
Just go to 55th and Pine.
Don't tell them where we live at. God.
Don't tell them.
Don't be letting them know our area. Gosh, there's crazy people out there.